Robert Kiyosaki, that's him right there, has this young guy as a guest, of course, talking about money, this young guy here, on his podcast. And Robert is coughing away on this podcast. There's cough number one. There's cough number two. And cough number three. Cough number four. I'm not going to do them all, but this young guy on the right must be scared to death. This was made in March of this year, so it's during the pandemic. If I was this young guy, I would run like hell out of that studio right now.